From the list of things I could do easily at age 7, somersaults. For day 26 of 31 days of movement snacks, I suggest you get down on a carpeted floor and try some somersaults. Or, if that's not going to work for you, try some bear crawls. If you're not in the mood for bear crawls, try some bird dog. If bird dog is too much on your wrists, try some of my favorite bright, colorful, neoprene-coated hexagon dumbbells to take the pressure off your wrists. I'm Molly. Finally, refer to day 15 of 31 days of movement snacks to figure out how to get off the floor again. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more suggestions and more pictures of the cat.